Hello students, our today's topic is define tax accounts. Specify the accounts to which the different tax type are to be posted. The system determines these accounts for automatic posting. For define tax account, we can use transaction code OB40 or we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, financial accounting global settings, tax on sales or purchases, posting and define tax account. So हम define करते हैं tax account in SAP. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Tax on Sales or Purchases, Posting, and Define Tax Account. Click on Position, enter MWS for debit. Posting key is use 40 and for credit, posting key is use 50. Now select it and then click on rules, click on position, enter your chart of account, सो यहाँ पर हमारा चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट असाइन नहीं है, देन हम देते हैं न्यू एंट्रीज. हमारा चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट असाइन करेंगे TRCA, टैक्स कोड एंड क्रेडिट. then press enter and then click on save button. Click on create request and enter your description. Define tax account. Click on save button, then click on continue button. Now select our chart of account and double click on accounts. Click on new entries and here we will assign our ledgers. But we still didn't create a tax ledger. So firstly we will create a ledger, then assign it. Open a new session. FS00. Enter our GL number which we want to create, 22000. Click on create button. Enter your GL account type as balance sheet. Account group as a general GL account. Enter your name. Output tax 20%. Output VAT 20%. Now select your group account number. I will search by name income tax receivable. Okay. Press enter. Click on control data. In tax category, we have to select input tax account. Sorry, output tax account. Then open item management. And lastly, click on create bank interest. Enter your field status group, that is G001. Then click on post automatic only and save it. Now go to define tax account and enter tax code. A1 country GB and our GL account is 220000. A0 country GB GL account and lastly A6 GB 22000. Press enter, then click on save button. Now come back, click on position, again come back. Okay, now click on position, enter our next accounting key, that is VST. Select it, VST, select it, double click on rules, click on new entries, enter our chart of account, TRCA, then click on tax code and country. Save. Now select it and double click on accounts, click on new entries, A1 country GB and our ledger. We'll create first ledger, click on new session, enter FS00. Now we will create a new ledger, that is 120000. Click on create button, enter GL account type as balance sheet, enter account group as a general ledger, short text input tax GL, input tax GL. Group account number, income tax, will find it, Control F, input tax, sorry, income tax, this is your group ledger. Now click on control data, enter tax category, input tax, then click on click on enter field status group G001, click on post automatic only, come back to control data and click on open item management. Now save it. Now come back on our OP40 session, enter V1 country GB and our ledger. Next V0 country and our ledger. Then click on save button.